Mastering the phrase, "I could use some help," in educational settings. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be exploring the world of English language learning, focusing on the phrase, "I could use some help." This seemingly simple statement can be quite powerful in expressing the need for assistance, particularly in educational settings. When you say, "I could use some help," you're stating that you have a need or problem that requires another person's assistance. This indirect request is polite, slightly informal, and quite common in conversational English. It's a good phrase to use when you want to ask for help without coming across as demanding or desperate. Here's an example of how it might be used in an educational context. Student to fellow student. "I could use some help with this math problem. Do you understand how to solve it?" The phrase, "I could use some help," can be used with anyone: a friend, a classmate, a teacher, or even a stranger. The key is to use it in the right context. With a classmate, you might say, "I could use some help with these class notes. Could you help me understand this part?" With a teacher, you might say, "I could use some help with this assignment. Can we schedule some time to discuss it?" Remember, this phrase is quite versatile, and you can use it in different situations as per your need. In an educational setting, "I could use some help" can be used for any subject or topic. Here are a few examples. Mathematics, "I could use some help understanding this geometry concept." History, "I could use some help finding resources for my paper on ancient Rome." Science, "I could use some help designing an experiment for our physics project." Notice how in each case, the speaker clearly states what they need help with. Be specific with your request to ensure the other person understands how they can assist you. And that's a wrap on using the phrase, "I could use some help," in educational settings. This versatile phrase is a great tool to politely and effectively request assistance. Practice using it in your day-to-day conversations. Remember, it's okay to ask for help, and doing so in a respectful manner is a skill in itself. Stay curious and keep learning. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.